How to delete account in Grindr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove or delete your account. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section called Settings. Simply tap on Settings. Now, we're in this Settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options. Here, there's an option called Deactivate. Simply tap on Deactivate. Now, there are two different options. Either you can log out the account, or here on the bottom, simply tap on Delete Account. So make sure you want to delete the account. Here, you can even select the reason why you want to delete the account. At last, simply tap on OK and the account will be completely gone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.